Hello everyone, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are discussing a difference between reporting and performance analytics. So first of all, reporting and performance analytics both are two different applications. And these two applications are, you can say, complementary to each other. That is, if you start with one, if you add another on that, it will be a more grooming result for you. In the documentation, a very useful diagram is available. You see here. So when you create a report, it will tell you where are you today. That is, it will give you the exact data based on your conditions, based on your filters in the format you want. But you see here there are other options as well. Like when you start comparing your current data with the previous data or with the data with other applications. That is, you are seeking for the improvement. That is, what was it before, how you can get it quickly. All these things are done by performance analytics. Basically, performance analytics generate historical trends and display those trends in a very intuitive manner so that you will be able to enhance, you will be able to analyze the data in a more accurate manner. So once you have a reporting, that is, you have the data disk, but by using performance analytics, you can do more analysis, you can be more clear about the target, you can be more clear about the outcome of your business. This is the simple use case of a performance analytics. I hope you understand the difference. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.